Hello guys, greetings of the day. Hope you are doing well. So this is our first video of this season 2024. In this video we will solve the question paper of 2019. So this is for BSc BEd and BA BEd course level 1 of the RIECEE exam. Let's start without wasting any time. Here's the first question. Read the following passage carefully and answer the following questions. So we have to read the passage. You guys please pause the video and read the passage. Let me answer the questions. Here's the first question. A comparison is given with an example in the passage it is between. So we have to read the passage for this. So the answer for this question is closed room and open space. It is the correct answer, not the sound and the noise. It was answered by me in the exam and it was incorrect. Here you can see a name of Kesav Sharma. So let's move on to the next question. Here's the second question. We have choose the statement which is not true. There are deafening noise in the tunnel when the train passes through it. जब ट्रेन टनल से पास होती है तो नॉइस क्यों आती है, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर भी ये होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड, द साउंड इज थ्रोन अवे इनटू द स्पेस ऑफ द टनल. So we have the third question. Sound from the same source is louder inside a room than that is in open space. Because, so according to the paragraph, the sound, the correct answer of this is the second, because the sound is concentrated into the room. That's why it is louder inside the closed environment and it is not louder in open environment. Let's move to the fourth question. We are asked to answer that the antonym of cryptic. First we have to know what cryptic is. Cryptic, something that is not open, that is not clear. So its antonym is clear. So we have three similar options to the antonym of cryptic, but clear is more relevant of it, and it is answered by Google, so we are going with it. So our next question is she is not familiar. We have four options: in, to, for, and with. So with is the correct answer for this. She is not familiar with this subject. You can pronounce the sentence which makes sense will be the correct answer 8 of 10 times. So sixth question we have is I know the silly girl always makes stupid remarks. So we will correct the mark the correct answer. It will makes. Here we have seventh question. To the most appropriate verbal expression. The offer was not good enough, so I turned it in. In will not make sense because it is the showing some acceptance, but he is denying. So off will not the answer here. Off is showing some denying, but down is the correct answer for this. Here the eighth question. Which one of the following is correctly spelled word? Eighth question we have the spelling of correspondence. So the correct spelling of correspondence is option number 3, CORRESPONDENCE. So it is the correct answer. Moving to the ninth question. So we have to select the correct sentence. Which sentence is correct within in the given four options? So first, she goes to a bed at 10 o'clock. It seems wrong because a bed is not the correct thing to pronounce. She goes to n bed. No, it is also correct. A bed, n will be not used here. The will or any no article will be used here. So she goes to bed at 10 o'clock every day is the correct answer. Option number 4. So moving to the next question, option number 10. Here we have paragraph, one more paragraph. We have to read it. Man is So you guys read it. Let me answer the questions. So for the answer question number 10, which of the following correctly express the author's view? After reading the paragraph, you will realize the correct answer is option number second. Nation in the possession of huge weapons are trying too hard to avoid the actual conflicts. But you know the current day scenarios. Moving to the 11th question, which of the following express the best theme of the above passage? So the best theme of above passage, mountaining cost of modern weapons is not the theme. Destruction of mankind is inevitable is not seems the theme of that. Threats of intimidation between superpowers is not seems the correct. The fourth option is the correct. Man desire to survive inhibits use of deadly weapons. You can read it in the paragraph. With the 12th question, the phrase go to the brink in the passage means. The phrase go to the brink. The phrase go to the brink means in the passage means advancing to the stage of war but not engaging in it. You guys read in the paragraph that the most of countries are buying weapons, so that is the correct answer of this. We have 13th question. The author's main point is the man's destiny is not fully clear or visible. The man's soul and spirit cannot be destroyed in by the superpowers. Human society will survive despite the serious threat of total annihilation. Fourth option is man's safety is assured by the delicate balance of power in terms of nuclear weapon. So the correct answer for this question is option number third. Man society will survive despite the serious threat of total annihilation. So moving to the 14th question, the irrepressible is the second sentence means. This word is used in the above paragraph. Irrepressible, what it means. So the correct answer for this is un. So you guys can see all the four options: strong, oppressive, incomplete, incompatible, or unrestricted, trainable. So fourth option is the correct answer for this. Moving to the 15th question, we have what we have 15th question. We have to select the option that means the same as the group of given words, the underlined word, a line which the earth and the sky seems to meet. In Hindi we call it's Chitij, a book named at it in the NCERT class 6 to 11 at 8th class for Hindi subject. The correct answer for this is horizon. We have the 16th question. Select the option the same question as the above. We have to give a single word for the whole sentence. A book that contains information on various subjects. So we have four options. The encyclopedia is the correct answer for this. Guidebook is, you guys know, the in which solutions of all the problems of your class. Dictionary that contains words and meanings. Move to the next question. We have 17th question. What we have? Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. We have to fill the appropriate word for this. So the sentence is, the building was so old and dilapidated that it was not. First is habitat is not the correct answer. Habitable will be the correct answer. कि जो बिल्डिंग है वो बहुत पुरानी हो गई थी कि उसमें रहा नहीं जा सकता था, ना रहने योग्य हो गई थी. तो हैबिटेबल इज द करेक्ट आंसर. हैबिटेट और हैबिटेबिलिटी आर द wrong answers. So 18th question. She know all about that film because she dash it twice. So has seen it twice. Is seeing it twice is the wrong answer. Will seen भी गलत है. Have seen भी गलत है. तो ऑप्शन नंबर एक ही इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा. अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 है हमारे पास। सेलेक्ट द वर्ड विच कन्वेज द सेम रिमेनिंग ऑफ सेम मीनिंग। इसका क्या वर्ड दिया गया है हमको वर्ड दिया गया है वेनेडिक्टिव। वेनेडिक्टिव का सेम मीनिंग क्या होगा? वेनेडिक्टिव क्या होता है? सबसे पहले दोस्तों आपने सुना होगा इंतकाम, बदले की भावना। वेनेडिक्टिव होता है बदले की भावना। यू कैन सी द आंसर विच मीन्स revengeful in the given option is the correct answer. Revengeful. So we see the all the four options. First is bigoted. Bigoted क्या होता है? ये होता है when you are not what you can say that someone is not agree with your ideas and you become violence to them. That means biodacted. Strategic, you guys know, to plan something harmful, you guys know, that cause harm to you. So it's the last question of English section, 20th question. Select the word which conveys the same meaning in the word exile. exile के जितना जैसा word exile होता है to leave, to make forceful leave of someone from their place, के किसी को उसकी जगह से धक्के से निकालना, फोर्स से निकालना। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा बैनिश। बैनिश इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा। रिमूव का मतलब है हटाना। फ्राइटन का मतलब है, ये फ्राइटन का मतलब भी किसी को डराना है। और रेपेटायर का मतलब होता है इसका उल्टा, अपोजिट एक्साइल का, किसी को फोर्स से वापस बुलाना। सो हमारा पार्ट ख़त्म होता है इंग्लिश का। आपके 20 क्वेश्चन आपको इंग्लिश के देखने को मिलेंगे आपके एग्ज़ाम में, और 30 क्वेश्चन होंगे किसके? टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड के, और बाकी 30 क्वेश्चन होंगे किसके? रीजनिंग एबिलिटी के। वो क्वेश्चन भी हम जल्दी करेंगे, आपको जल्दी वीडियो मिल जाएगी। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए। थैंक यू।